Hello students, welcome to your bio class. Today we are going to discuss very important topic, human excretory system. First of all, let's see what does this term mean. The term excretion is derived from Latin word excretum, which is past participle of exerno, where ex means out and cerno means separate. Excretion is the passing out of substances that have no further use in the body or are harmful. This table represents various excretory wastes produced in our body, the organ where these wastes are formed, the process during which these are formed, and the organs which are involved in their elimination. So urea and uric acid, which is produced in the liver during the process of deamination of amino acids, are eliminated by kidneys. Carbon dioxide, which is produced during oxidation of food by process called as respiration in the living cells, is removed with the help of lungs. Excess of the salts and water which are produced due to various metabolic activities are removed with the help of kidney and sweat glands. Bile salts which are produced in the liver during the process called as hemolysis are removed with the help of gut. Excretory organs are those organs which are associated with the process of excretion. The human excretory system involves the excretion of harmful or toxic nitrogenous wastes, mainly urea and uric acid, from the body. What is need of this excretory system? The nitrogenous wastes such as ammonia, urea, uric acid, etc., which are formed during metabolism of proteins and other complex nitrogenous compounds, become toxic or fatal if retained inside our body in higher concentration or for a longer time. Hence, they are thrown out of our body with the help of excretory system. So, this is why excretory system is important for us. Now look at the diagram shown here very carefully. This diagram represents the human excretory system, or better called as human urinary system. Various types of organs are involved in this system. These are 2 kidneys, 2 ureters, 1 urinary bladder, and 1 short tubular urethra. Before moving further, you must understand that the right side kidney is at a slightly lower level than the left one. Let's see kidneys in details. Kidneys are of reddish brown in color, as you can see in this diagram. Kidneys are 10 to 12 centimeter in length, 6 to 8 centimeter in width, and 2 to 3 centimeter in thickness. They are of bean shaped and weight is 120 to 170 gram approximately. Let us see location. A pair of kidneys are located in the abdominal cavity attached to the dorsal body wall, one on either side of the vertebral column. Kidneys help in the formation and elimination of urine and also maintains osmoregulation in the body. Ureters. Average length of ureters in adult human being is 20 to 30 centimeter. with diameter of 3 to 4 millimeter. These are actually narrow muscular tubes, each arising from the notch or hilum in the median surface of each kidney and connects behind with the urinary bladder in the lower part of the abdomen. Ureters help in passage of urine from kidneys to the urinary bladder by peristalsis. Size of urinary bladder depends upon the amount of urine present inside it. Actually, urinary bladder can be called as muscular reservoir of urine. Like stomach, it is an expandable sac-like organ that contracts when empty. The inner lining of bladder tucks into folds and expands out to accommodate urine, which is coming down through ureters. The urge to urinate comes when the bladder is about 1/4 full. Shape of urinary bladder is tetrahedral when it is empty and ovoid when it is full of urine. Normal capacity is 400 to 600 milliliter. Urinary bladder is located in the pelvic region of abdominal cavity just below the kidneys. Function of urinary bladder is to store urine temporarily. Children, a sphincter, that is circular muscle-like structure, is present at the base of the urinary bladder, which guards the opening of the bladder into urethra and relaxes only at the time of mieturition under an impulse from the brain. Let's see about urethra. Size of urethra varies in case of adult human male and female. In female, it is of 4 cm in length, and in male, it is 20 cm in length. Urethra is the short muscular tube which is present below the urinary bladder in the pelvic region of the abdominal cavity. It provides the passage of urine from the urinary bladder to outside the body. One another sphincter, which is called as urethral sphincter, is present at the end of the urethra just above the external urethral opening. It guards the urethral opening and relaxes only at the time of mieturition to allow the passage of urine out of the body. So that's all for today's video lesson. In next video, we will discuss in detail about the functional unit of kidneys. Till then, goodbye.